Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ABWN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a couple days ago, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And in this video, I will not joke around at all. I will not deploy sarcasm because some people apparently don't pick up on it, but that's okay. I get it. So yeah, pretty brutal, and I realize I'm stating the obvious with that. Try to track a couple potential bottom forming type things. And, there's just the downwards pressure is crazy. I mean, last time I did, I think, the bulls were showing a little bit of signs of progress, but you can see that trend line was violated right there. And not soon after, that support level was violated. Kind of took a little breath. And then today, the plunge just continued in that much bigger of a way. So, yeah, bears are in full control. And at this point, it really just becomes a matter of gauging the strength of the bears. Because bears, like I said, they are the ones that own the chart. So the easiest way to do that is we're just going to deploy the KISS method here. Keep it simple, stupid. And, whatever the cause of the bears is, whether that be dilution or people just dumping or anything like that, it's not the shorts, okay? I mean, nobody's going to take a risk of shorting a 3 stock right now. So, I mean, learn about the 250 rule. And you'll kind of do a little bit of math, and you'll see it truly makes no sense. So this is all dilution or people just dumping out. So that really becomes a question of, all right, well, how do you gauge the health? How do you gauge the strength of the bears? Just use that purple line right there. No pun intended, but that is the 50-period simple moving average. So we're going to use the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid, with a simple moving average. Point being, and I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. Meaning I don't feel like drawing a trend line, that's fine. This quote-unquote trend line will draw itself for you and continue to look like that over time. So point being, as long as the price is below that downtrending trend line, remember, actually moving average, then the bears are in full control. Now, can there be nice bounces along the way? Yeah, sure, absolutely. There can be all sorts of dead cat bounces. I mean, there is little miniature dead cat. Right there was little miniature dead cat. So I'm not saying the bulls can't ever make any sorts of signs of progress, but as far as the overall quote-unquote story of things is concerned, the bears are in 100% control and 100% own the chart as long as the price is down below that purple line. So we'll see what happens with it, but you can kind of just give a little bit more perspective of that purple line and how things have really just continued to be pushed down by that moving average. So next week, still a lot of people watching this one. Don't know why, but yeah, it's a dump fest, and we'll see if things can turn around at all next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.